Hi, welcome to our 2-Minute Tuesday for November 1st of 2016. This is Roger Balzer. Our title for this video is Volatility. Since last week's video, a lot has happened, especially on Friday, the reopening of the email scandal by FBI Director Comey. When the news broke of the reopening of the email scandal, the Chicago Board of Options Volatility Index, or VIX as it is better known, really skyrocketed from 13 to 20, which basically means we can continue to expect plenty of volatility in the upcoming week. Strap on your seatbelts, get ready for plenty of volatility. Chicago Board of Options Exchange Volatility Index, or VIX, as it is better known, is used by stock and options traders to gauge the market's anxiety level. As a reminder to our regular viewers and inform our new viewers, the media makes money by selling advertising. Because of this, the news tends to be more sensational in an attempt to keep you watching or even reading. What's happening now in the market is not a surprise. The long-term charts are still positive. It's been rough, and what we're going through now ultimately may be just a correction. I do not believe it's a rerun of 2008. The thing that really gets me is we can spend months watching the market climb up inch by inch by inch, only to give it back in a snap. The downside tends to happen a lot faster than the upside. The biggest difference between now and 2008 is this. In late 2007, the relative strength chart measuring cash versus the stock market actually flipped over and started to favor cash. This chart doesn't change very often, so when it does flip over, it's a huge deal. This chart answers the question, which is currently stronger, putting money into cash or putting money into the stock market. As you can see on this slide here, we have had 3 pullbacks since July of 2009. They occurred in May of 2010, August of 2011, and August of 2015. I prefer to focus on what's happening now instead of trying to predict what's going to happen next. Like I said last week, the big picture backdrop is still positive, but the short term is very sloppy. As always, remember that any of the securities mentioned in this video are not a recommendation to buy or sell, and also do not represent specific recommendations of Balzer Wealth Management. If you're relying on a video for investment advice, you're making a huge mistake. Please consult with your investment advisor before you make a decision to buy or sell any investment. And if you don't have an investment advisor, I encourage you to contact Balzer Wealth Management at 440-934-3114 or through our website at www.balzerwealth.com. Until next week, make it a great week.